In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your pen drive is showing it has files but not showing any information when you open the drive. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. So I do want to make one brief note. We're going to be going through actually formatting the pen drive in this tutorial, meaning any data that is on the drive will be removed. Now, there's a good chance the data is already corrupted, the files might not be recoverable, and it actually would cost you money to go and recover them, and in most cases it's not actually reasonable, or you probably wouldn't even do it. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully be able to recover the actual device so you can actually get use out of it in the future, at least until of course you get a replacement drive, which I hope you guys will eventually do. But I want to just go over how to recover the drive for this brief tutorial. So we're going to jump into it by opening up the start menu. On Windows 10 devices, you want to type in this PC. On Windows 7 and Windows 8, you want to type in computer. And then you want to select the best match, which should say this PC on Windows 10, because that's what I'm on. Windows 7, Windows 8, again, it'd be computer. Now underneath devices and drives, you want to locate your flash disk or pen drive. You want to right click on it, and then left click on the format button right here. Underneath format flash disk, you want to make sure file system is set to NTFS here. Volume label, you can name it whatever you want. It's not really the purpose of this video, but underneath format options, the check mark should be filled into the box next to quick format. Left click on the start button right here. Note you will get a dialog window saying the formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. So I'm going to left click on OK. Shouldn't take very long. Once you're done, I would recommend trying to open up your pen drive or flash disk and see if you're able to recover or access the drive once again. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, it should be empty at this point. And I do have this brief tutorial was able to help you guys recover your flash disk. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.